Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop the cursor from blinking on your iPhone or iPad. If you find the blinking cursor distracting while typing, there is a pretty simple way to disable it using a built-in setting. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the Accessibility option. In the Accessibility menu, select the Motion option. Here you'll find an option called Prefer Non-Blinking Cursor. Now all you have to do is just turn on the toggle for this option, and just like that, the cursor indicator in the text will stop blinking. This makes for a more comfortable and distraction-free typing experience. If you ever decide to re-enable the blinking cursor, simply head back to the Motion section in Accessibility and turn off the toggle for Prefer Non-Blinking Cursor. It's that easy. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone and iPad tips and tricks. Now I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Have a great time. Bye-bye.